Do you need to replace the map sensor on your Jeep Renegade? Then check out this video to find out how. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, this is another video on my 2015 Jeep Renegade, and just a reminder, this is the version with the 1.4 litre multi-air engine from Fiat. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace your map sensor, which is the Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor, which basically measures the pressure from the turbo before it goes into the car. So I'll point out where it is, and also I'll show you how to remove it. So obviously to do this job, we're going to go underneath the bonnet, and if you don't know how to do that, just go over the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, you just put your hand in below the Jeep badge and you're going to push that yellow lever to the left. Now you notice that my car does have some automatic gas struts on there. I actually upgraded these in another video if you want to check that out. So more than likely your car will just have the standard bonnet stay, which you put in that hole there. Now luckily we're not going to need many tools for this job. We just need a 10mm socket and also a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, which I'm going to just pop down there for now. So the first thing we're going to do is actually remove this black plastic cover, and it's just 2 bolts. We've got one here and one here, and that's the 10mm socket. With those undone, you're just going to put your hand at the back there and just give it a bit of a sharp tug, because there is also a locating lug there as well, and then just put that somewhere safe. With the plastic cover now off, obviously we can see a lot more of the engine, like our coil packs on top here. And this is actually where the air comes in from the air filter, goes through the turbocharger, actually does a loop down and goes through a cooler, and then it comes back up on this side. So this is actually our map sensor here. So like I say, it's just measuring pressure on the charged side of the turbocharger. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually take off the electrical connection. So you're just going to push that yellow tab away. Now these can be a bit difficult. Oh, that wasn't too hard. There you go, that comes straight off. And then I'm just going to undo the Phillips screw here on the front. So it should be nice and simple once that's done. And you can just, using 2 hands, slowly pull that away from the car. It does have a gasket seal, so it is pushed in there quite tight, and that's because it's measuring pressure. So there you go, that is our map sensor. Now there is actually a part number on it. I'm not going to read it out on camera because your one may be slightly different. So what I'd urge you to do is check the one that's on the car, or check the car's VIN number and contact your parts supplier. There are also videos on YouTube of people cleaning these as well to get better results. So it may not need a full replacement, it may just need a good clean. So once you've got your new one, we're just going to locate it back in that hole. Like I say, it does seal quite tight. And we get our Phillips screw and do that up. You don't need to do this up too tight because it does have that tight gasket seal anyway. And then obviously returning our electrical connection. And then once you've done that, we're just going to push that yellow clip forward as well. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not going anywhere. Yep, that's on there now. And then you can return your black plastic cover. So what I like to do with this is just use the oil filler and dipstick as a bit of a guide, and take the bolts out. So then you can actually see where the holes are, and then get that back popped in. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the map sensor on a Jeep Renegade. Just remembering this is the 1.4 litre multi-air turbo engine. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.